Hey guys, it's Ashley from Nutta Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing Toucan Box. So this, I've seen ads for this all over the place. I'm super pumped. This is a kids subscription aimed at kids age 3 to 8. It's like a hands-on craft type. STEAM, I guess, is the theme. Not theme, but the premise of the box. So science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. The boxes are adorable. These are just $12.95, and if you go down, use my link, you can get your first box for just the cost of shipping. And it does ship from the United Kingdom, so it takes a little bit to get to you, but the box is free. Sorry. All right, so, oh, I do have a coupon code. Treat your friends to their first Toucan Box for free and earn yourself 50% off for each friend that signs up. And I have a code. So I have a code that I'll put down there. It's Asheli-EO6M. Hello, Ashley. Welcome to your next Toucan Box adventure. Hopefully you're ready to get creative, so clear space on the table and roll up your sleeves. We would love to see your finished project, so why not share a picture of you and your amazing creation with us? Just tells you. So I'm going to show you the inside here. It's super, I like how they have it all laid out. Right? Like, that's cool. And you can choose to add on another child. All right, so let's get making. First, we're going to make a nature bag. Oh, I like how they have this set up. So look here. You have, oh, look, it's like seasons. So you have like different patterns you can put on there for the seasons. And then you're going to, oh, you're using foil. This is really interesting. I like this. That's different. It's not just a bunch of paper, because sometimes that's what it is. I think one of you guys said that recently. So here's the tree rings. You can tell how old a tree is by counting its rings. Work out how old each tree is and draw the rings. Isn't that cute? You have these little fun little activities in there. So the whole premise of the nature bag, though, is to take the bag with you when you go on nature walks and collect objects. Each season brings new things to look for. Take a bingo card with you and cross off the objects you find on your walk. That's what the season cards are for. So in the packet, so you get a whole packet that's like for that craft. And you have, so it looks like some markers in there, some of these little papers, and then there's the bingo cards. You see the foil sheet right there? The bingo cards are what you're going to use when you go out after you make your bag. And you go out on your nature walk, you're going to find all those things. That's very cool. I like that. Okay, let's get making. This is a racing jellyfish. That sounds fun. All right, so this tells you everything that you get. It also gives you like a gauge here. Messiness, just 1. That's a good thing, right? Grown-up assistance, a 2, and no drying time needed, check. So you decorate your jellyfish with dots. You stick the straws over the guidelines on the back of each jellyfish. They're really simple too. The crafts are like very easy, step by step, like kind of almost what you do in like kinder, first grade art. Wrap a sticker around the ends of the thin ribbons. Thread a thin ribbon through the straws on each jellyfish. Thread 2 beads onto each end of the thin ribbons. Knot the ends to keep the beads in place. So everything is very well laid out. Then you're gonna cut and attach the little danglers. And then stick the suction cups up high on a window and hang 1 jellyfish on each hook. Slide the jellyfish to the bottom of the ribbons. When you're ready, hold the ends of the thin ribbon in each hand. Tug on alternate sides of the ribbon to make them race to the top. Oh, that's fun. The Great Jellyfish Race. So you have races, your little heats over here. And then you record the results. So on top of the craft, you do get like a little, like something to think about, like the tree rings, and then for this one it is like recording the you know, the numbers and all that stuff. I think it's really cute. This is so fun. So it's 2 crafts, $12.95, first box free. I will link down below to my full review where we will go in depth. We'll create these projects so you guys can kind of see it in its entirety, and then I will link down below to Toucan Box, and I'll put that code down there so you can get the first box for free. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.